Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to making money online, Telegram is a great and a powerful tool which can help you make that money. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to share with us 7 effective ways in which you can use your Telegram app to make money starting from today. Yes guys, so let's go. Telegram isn't just a messaging app. It's a platform where you share content, build communities, and even make money. With active millions of users, the opportunity of making money through Telegram is endless. So now let's go. Let me show you how you can turn your Telegram into a source of income. Let's go. 1. You can create a paid membership channel. First off, you can create a paid membership channel. Yes, and start making money from that channel that you created. So many people are into this. If you go to if you go to Telegram, you will see plenty people, even on this social media, you see people referring or asking their subscribers or their followers to follow them on their Telegram channel. That is because they are making money from it. That is because they want to drive traffic. They want their followers on other social media platforms to follow them on their Telegram. Why are they doing this? Because they want to make money out from these people. By what? By subscribing, by paying monthly for subscription. Yes, whether you are offering exclusive content, training, industry, teaching, whatsoever inside, people are willing to pay for a valuable content. Yes, simply offer a valuable content or a special content to your subscribers and charge them monthly for access. By so doing, you are making money. Another interesting one is build a Telegram bot for businesses. Do you have a programming skill? Then you can create and build a Telegram bot for businesses. Yes, and this bot can automate tasks such as booking, customer order taking, order processing, and so many of them. There are so many work that the bot can do for the businesses. Yes, and you will charge, and the companies and the businesses will pay you a fee to maintain and set up this bot for them. Yes, guys. Another one is running ads in your Telegram group or channel. If you have built a large following or a large community in your Telegram group or channel, businesses will come to you. They will pay you for you to promote their product to your audience. Yes, and the more engaging audience and large following that you get, the more you will charge businesses that are coming to you. Yes, when you have a large following, you will get more endorsements, you will get more business to promote, and those companies will keep coming to you for you to promote their product to your large audience. Thereby, you will start making money using your Telegram group or channel. Another great way to make money is by selling products or services. Yes, you can sell physical products or digital products on Telegram and make money. Yes, digital products like e-courses, e-book, online courses, yeah, and softwares, etc. You can sell them here on your Telegram channel and make a lot of money from it. Yes, what do you need to do? Just create a simple Telegram channel or a Telegram group where you can advertise those products of yours. Yes, and make money from it. Yeah, as you have other social media accounts, you can as well do well to yourself by also creating a Telegram channel where you can advertise your product and sell them and make money of it. You could be wondering how payments can be made or how you will receive your payment. You can accept payments on Telegram via platforms like PayPal or Stripe. Yeah, this is the way to receive your payment on Telegram when you sell your product. So do well to create a Telegram channel and make money. Yes. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Very sweet. Yeah, you can earn money by promoting other companies' products. Yes, and earn commission from it. Yeah, when your followers purchase a product from that company using your referral link, you get paid your commission. Here, you've already used your affiliate marketing link to make money for yourself on your Telegram. Yeah, many affiliate marketing programs are visually available for every niche. So here there is no shortage of opportunity. The opportunity is there for you to make money. So use your affiliate marketing link to make money via your Telegram through your followers. Offer freelancing services. If you are good in writing, web development, graphic design, and any other thing, you can offer your services through Telegram and make money. Yes, simply create a Telegram channel or group where you can showcase your expertise and start gaining clients who are willing to pay for your services. That is how you make money via Telegram using freelance services. Another way to make money on Telegram is through crowdfunding or donation. Yes, if you are a type that offer free value to your audience, to your followers, yes, you can ask them to support you financially by donating to you, and they will willingly donate to you because you have been giving them value even without fees. Yes, your audience, your followers will be glad, yes, to donate to you because all this while they are being the one gaining from you without you asking them for anything. So whenever you ask them for a support, financial support to be, for instance, they will be willing to give to you. Yes, they will donate to you via PayPal or even give to you cryptocurrency. That is how you make money. Here you have it, the 7 effective ways in which you can make money on Telegram. Yes, guys, so start experimenting any of these 7 ways that I've given you. Yes, start putting them in practice and see you on your way making money online without spending any time. Yes, guys, so see you in my next one. Don't also forget to check out this video that talks about how you can make money online without spending any time. Also, do well to turn on your post notification bell to let you know whenever I post a brand new video. See you in my next one. Please do well to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this wonderful channel to help you to be seeing more of these tips on how you can make money online. See you in my next one. Ciao, ciao. Bye.